Here I have one thick cardboard. You can also use any waste box. You just want a piece of thick paper. Take any circular object. Here I have bangle. I draw a circle and now cut this circle. Here I have circle. Now we have all these poppy sticks. We arrange these poppy sticks. Put circle and arrange these poppy sticks. Here I have arranged all the poppy sticks. First you arrange the poppy stick, then after you stick them all. Now I will stick them all with hot glue gun. And after that color these all poppy stick with your favorite watercolor. After stick them all, it will look like this. Now it's time to decorate this. And keep this aside. And now take yellow paper, draw 8 square, big square, and on another paper small squares, and cut it. Big square is 5 by 5 centimeter, 5 and 5, and the small one is 4 centimeter, 4 and 4. Now make a flower with that. Just fold it, press it, again fold it, press it, and again fold it and press it. Now hold like that and draw a circle. And cut it. Now open it, and here our flower is ready. Make them all flowers. Here our flowers are ready. Now we are going to paste it. Now take all the big flowers and paste them on this outside corner. Now it's time for these small flowers. Paste them inside corner. Now it's time for central part. Here I have one big flower which I am going to stick here. For this flower you can click on the link given below. Here our wall decoration is ready. You can stick it on the wall with hot glue gun.